It's also important to understand if you're selecting a Medicare Advantage program, are you at all curious how your doctor is going to get compensated? And by the way, who does your doctor work for? Let's start with that. So if I'm signing up for a Medicare Advantage, what I'd really want to know, let's start with a primary care doctor. Who does he work for? In some Medicare Advantage programs, he's an employee of your insurance company. In other situations, your doctor is contracted with your Medicare Advantage insurance company. But let's talk about how he might get compensated. A lot of doctors who are not the employee, if their employees are just getting a paycheck, and if they're getting a paycheck, by the way, their metrics are going to be measured. Their metrics on quality, how nice they are to their patient, how satisfied they are, but also their metrics on potentially overutilization or utilization of diagnostic testing, referrals. All of those metrics will be measured because they work for the insurance company. But let's talk about doctors that don't work for the insurance company, but simply contract out to manage Medicare Advantage patients. One common way is what's called capitation. For people who aren't familiar with it, they get a certain dollar per month per patient at a fixed rate, let's say $50. So a certain doctor or practice may get 1,000 patients and get $50 per month per patient. And no matter how many times they see all 1,000 patients, that's a flat rate. Human nature being what it is, obviously, most doctors are amazing. Most doctors will do the right thing. But on balance, if someone's in the middle about maybe seeing someone back or not seeing someone back, potentially it could have that influence. So what I'm simply saying is whether you're okay with it or not, you should know how your doctor is getting compensated. Because just like fee for service, where they get paid to do more, can lead to too much work. When you capitate medical professionals, theoretically, it could lead to not doing enough. I'm not saying that's happening. I'm simply saying, shouldn't you at least know? So I'm a Medicare Advantage patient. I'm walking to a primary care office. Number one, who does he work for? I just want to know.